Alright, I got everything out of the box and looking for a lot of assembly here. There are seats, many parts. I think I will first go through the manual and see what I need to do. And here's the actual bike, which I was able to lift myself alone out of the box. So what I'm thinking is I have a plan to install in the basement, so I'm gonna go through the manual and individually take the parts into the basement. That way I can assemble it myself. Alright, let's get started on this. Alright, for step 1 we need this part and actually M10 screws, and you'll see two of these of similar kind. One have wheels and one doesn't have wheels, so pick up the one that is without wheels and this thing will go on the back. Okay, so I'm on the back side of it, so just remember it has two sides. One is popping out and one is like this, so this thing has to go inside. So carefully lift and push this thing in here so it is aligned. Alright, now we got these two screws that will go in. Notice that I have put something under it so that I can easily, then it is easier to snug this thing in and easily mount. So put something under here as mentioned in the manual to easily screw these things in. So next, this is front stabilizer, and the front part of it we're gonna start assembling. So you see these two pieces. So similar to the day we did the back, we're gonna take this thing and this thing will go in here like this, and we'll put the same screws over here. Alright, let's do it. Notice I have put a piece of 2x4 under it to give some support so this thing can easily go in and I can screw this in. You can take a help of second person, but what I did is I put the screws in and I mash them here. Once I know they are aligned, I just move them a little bit so it just sticks in there, and then I'm gonna take the wrench and just tighten it up like that. Yeah, but if you have a help of second person, it'll be always better and faster. So I put both parts in front of each other. So next what you have to do is you see the front part, pull the wire underneath it and take it out like this. And similarly for this side also you need to take out the wire. Alright, I got both the wires out. And this is really important, otherwise if you just try to fit this in, the wires can pinch in and get damaged. Now we have to really put this thing inside this. Alright, you see these holes aligned, that means you're good. You got this connection here. You can connect this thing. And now we have to get M10 screws and put those in here. There are six screws, 2 on the front, you will see this side and 2 on the other side. So put all the 6 screws in to make sure this is tight, and make sure you're checking the screws. Like if you screw like 1 or 2, then come back and check and make sure they're snug tight. The good thing is they have given wrench for everything, so you don't have to worry about many tools, but yeah, you might need a screwdriver later, but not now. Next we need to put this plate under here. So what I'm gonna do is lift this thing up like this and then put that plate in here. Alright, you can see underneath The plate is installed. This is gonna protect the wire. Alright, I'm gonna put this thing back now. Next, we have this pivot bracket that's gonna go up here. Yeah, but you might have to, it's tricky here. You have to first snap this wire and then, you know, attach this thing. So what I'm doing is, they have given this wire, I'm attaching it here and then I'm gonna pull from the other side so I can get this wire. Before you fully push that rod in, make sure you apply some grease. That's actually included in the package. I got this thing pushed in, but let me tell you, what I did was, yeah, at some time it got stuck, so I just gave a little tap of hammer to get this thing right in there, so it's in here now. Next step we have to do is connect these wires over here. For holes, you can put this right on top of it. This you will see snug in here, and you have got these 4 screws that will go under it. So I think I'm gonna do it for both the legs. One is here and one is here, and then do the next. I got both is fixed, so see how it is. This is how it should look like. You can see this is the left side and here is the right side. Now we have to assemble these arms. The good thing is, you know, both these arms say which one is left, which one is right, so you can use the appropriate arm and fix it. So basically what we have to do is put this thing in here, and at the bottom this thing is gonna go in here. Make sure you apply some grease before you push this thing in. Alright, let's do it. Again, on this side we have to first actually push this. This is called a pivot spacer into this. Oh, there's some extra grease you might want to wipe. Got this thing in there. Put a screw over here, and same on the other side. Honestly, I couldn't do it alone, so I have to call my buddy who helped me push it from the both sides. This piece is really tricky. So far I have been able to do everything alone, but this thing I have to call my buddy to help me. Next we need to fix this over here. This thing will slide in here, and we got all these screws here, so we're gonna put this here, and yeah. Next we need to activate this. I think there are clear instructions on it. I have to go to ifit.com on my phone and to activate it. So I'm gonna remove this film. Yeah, looks nice. It's turned on. It's saying hello. So I need to use my phone. Alright, it's all ready here. It was a bit of work, but looks nice. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned in the beginning, this is in my basement. So yeah, I'm very satisfied with my purchase. I made a corner of my basement to use as a gym. If you are wondering like about my floor, the details of how I did my flooring, you can watch that video as well. For now, thanks for watching.